how to change Google text to speech voice language on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. After that, tap on vision enhancements. Then we scroll down. In here, tap on Bixby Vision for accessibility. And then scroll down and tap on text to speech settings. Then tap on language. And in here, select a language that you want to use. You can also tap on the settings icon and then tap on install voice data. Now scroll down and select a language that you would like to install the voice data. So here you can select a different voice. So select that and then tap on the back key. And if it's already in here, you can install it. So you can select another language and you can tap on the download button. Once it's downloaded, it will be available for you to select. So here, tap on download. So I'm just going to select another language in here. So English, Philippines. So tap on download. Once it has finished downloading, it will be available for you to use. And then in here, if we go back out here and then tap on language, there will be available for you to select from the list as a language once you have downloaded. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.